Chat, there was a clip that I saw on Twitter. Some dude like FC'd like a new Rubik's Cube map. Does anyone have a link? Because I saw that shit on Twitter and I'm like, yo, that shit looks like a banger, you know? The OWC one, was it OWC? I don't know. I just saw Easy Champ like get like an insane score and I'm like, damn, good score. Oh wait, is this it? All right, let's see. Let's see it. All right, here we go. What the fuck? That was a perfect overlap. Dude, this map is so sick. Holy fuck. Chat, I will FC this one day. The parts that are readable are so much easier. Wowie. What? Is this a nerfed version? Wait, the OWC version is harder than the other ones? Oh no, it's the same difficulty. Hold up. Yo, the approach rate is higher. Fuck me, man. I don't know how to read AR10. This is AR10, right? Oh, it's AR 9.8. Easy. Dude, this version is so much easier. Holy shit. Come on. Okay. What the fuck? This map is pretty good. I like this map. Chat, we should have more maps like these. Alright. No, do not call this a BTMC miss. Okay? There's no such thing as a BTMC miss. Okay? That was just a normal fucking miss. Don't start this goddamn trend. It's stupid. It's dumb. Makes no sense.